Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can look for updates for your apps on your Motorola Moto G53. For that, you want to go to your Play Store, go back to the start, and then go to your account here and click on Manage Apps and Devices. And now you see that I have 35 updates pending. I can click on Update All and see details. And if I click on See Details, I can see all the apps that can be updated. I'm gonna update one app for an example now. I'm gonna go ahead and update YouTube. And now you see it's downloading, installing, and then soon I should have only 34 updates left. You can also decide here to update them all, or you just go back and only update the apps that you would like to update. If you've done that, you can just go back and then the app will run with your new update. So that's how you update your apps on your Motorola Moto G53. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye.